Good morning, my dear lovely children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Welcome back to Mathematics online class. In the previous class, we discussed about international system. Today, we are going to discuss about the international system problems. Already read the number system. There are two type of number systems. One is Hindu-Arabic system and the second one is international number system. Today, let us learn more about that. Let us begin the first one, the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Okay, children, now look at the table. Periods, places, numbers. And 7-digit numbers are placed in ones, thousands, and lakhs. Next, 8th and 9th number placed on ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Next, according to Indian place value system, the ones period consists of 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands period consists of 2 places: thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs period consists of 2 places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores period consists of 2 places: crores and 10 crores. National system: periods, places, and the digits. We know the 7-digit number place has ones, thousands, and millions. In ones place value consists 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands also consist 3 places: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions also consist 3 places: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. And now see the 6th Roman. Give the place value of each digit using international system. Here we have to write the place values of each digit by using international system. Okay children, now see the 6th Roman. What is the 6th Roman? Give the place value of each digit using international system. See the first one. What is the first one? International system, no? So what is the number here? 906,387. By using this number, we have to write the place values. See the solution. 906,387. So here 7 is in which place? Yes, 7 is in ones place. And next 8 is in which place, children? 8 is in tens place. Next, see the children. Here what is the number? Yes, 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in hundreds place. Now see, what is the next number? 6. 6 is in which place? Yes, thousands place. And next, what is the number? 0. 0 is in which place? 10,000s place. 10,000s. And next, see what is the last number? 9. 9 is in which place? 100,000s. Now see the second one. What is the second sum? 7,142,965. What we have to do here? We have to write the place values. By using Indian or international system, children? as international system. So see the solution. 7, 1, 4, 2, 9, 6 and 5. Now see, tell the place values of each digit. 5 is in which place value, children? Yes, 5 is in ones place. Next, see the what is the number here? 6. 6 is in which place? Yes, tens place. Next, 9. 9 is in hundreds place. Next, see what is the number here? Yes, 2. 2 is in which place? Thousands place. And next, see what is the number? Yes, 4. 4 is in which place? 4 is in 10,000 place. Next, see what is the number? 1. 1 is in which place 1 is there? Tell me, children. Yes, 100,000s. 100,000s. Next, see what is the last number? 7. 7 is in which place? Yes, 7 is in millions place. Okay, children, did you understand? Again, I am repeating. See, children, here what is the number here total? 7,142,965. Here we have to write the place values. See, 5 is in which place? Ones. 6 is in tens. 9 is in hundreds. 2 is in thousands. 4 is in 10,000s. 1 is in 100,000s. 7 is in millions. Okay? Okay, children. Now, see the 7th Roman. Write the place values of the underlying digit in international system. Here we have to write the international system place values. See here, what is the first one? Is 138,256,894. In which number the underline is there? Is 2. 2 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So here what we have to write? 100,000. HUNDRED, 100,000. THOUSAND. Now see the second one. What is the second one? 523,797,534. Okay. In which place the underline is there? In the 5 down the underline is there, no? So what is the place value of 5? Here we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So here what we have to write? 100 millions. HUNDRED, 100 millions. MILLIONS, 100 millions. Okay, now see the third one. What is the third one here? 130,378,732. Here, where is the underline? Here. So, which is the place value? Which place value the underline is there? We have to see ones, tens, hundreds, here 1,000. So, what we have to write here, children? Here we have to write 1,000. THOUSANDS. Thousands. Okay. Next, see the next one. Next fourth sum, see children. What is the number here? 430,569,128. Here, in which place value the underline is there? So, check once. We have to check the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. Where is the underline, children? 10 millions. So, what we have to write here? 10 millions. Okay. And now see the next one. What is the next number, children? Tell me, ma. 759 millions 254,164. Here, what is the place value of the underlined digit? We have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, what is the place value of the underlined digit? 100. So, here we have to write 100. Next, see the sixth one. 300 millions 597,214. Here, the place value of the underlined digit is where? The 3. So, we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So, here what is the value? 100 millions. So, what we have to write here, children? 100 millions. UNDRED 100 millions. MILLIONS 100 millions. Okay, children. Did you understand? See the 8th Roman. Look at each pattern and write next to two numbers. Here we have to see the pattern and write the two numbers here. Okay. First see the number here. What is the first one? 4. First we have to see the what is the common numbers here. Here what is the number? 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Again next what is the next number? 2. 2. Here 2. And next what is the next number, children? 9. Here 7. Here which number is missing? 9. 7. In between 7 and 9, what is the number? Here 8 is missing. Next you see 7 and here 5. In between 5 and 7, which number is missing here? 6. Okay, did you understand here? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here what we have to miss the number? Tell me, children. 4 we have to miss and write here 3. Okay, 4, 2, 3. See the next number 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So here all remaining numbers are common. So we have to write the number as common. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. Again, which number we have to remove here? Which number we have to? S. 2. So 4, 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. Again, one see the children. First we have to see the common numbers. What are the common numbers here? 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Next you see what is the number? 2. 2. And here 2. And what is the next number, children? 9. 7. In between 9 and 7, which number is missing? 8. So we have to leave the 8. So we have to leave the 8. Next you see the next one. Yes, here 5 is there. In 5 and 7, which number is we have to miss? 6. And next, see the next number 5. Here 3. 5 and 3. In between two numbers, which number is missing here? 4. Next you see here 3 and here 1. 1 and 3 in between two numbers, which number we have to leave? 2. So see the pattern now? S. Did you understand the pattern? Now see the second one. What is the second one here? Here 2 is there. Here 3. Here also 3. So what we have to do, children, here? Here we have to take the two numbers. Here two numbers are there, no? The two numbers we have to check first. Here what is the two numbers? 28. Here 30. Here 32. In between 30 and 28, which number we are missing? 28. Here 29, 30. So one number we have to miss and write the next number. Okay, children. Next you see here 30. So here which number we have to miss? 31. Very good, children. Next, what is the number here? 32. Next, which number we have to miss here, children? 32 after which number? 33. So again, what we have to write here? 34. 34. And again, see the remaining numbers, children. Here, what is the number? 736. Here, 736. 736. Again, we have to write 736. Here, all remaining numbers are common. So, we have to write as usual. 1540. Again, tell the next number, children. Which number we have to miss? Here, 33 we miss. And write 34. And here, 34 after 35 we have to miss. And we have to write the 36. So again remaining numbers are common. 36, 7, 3, 6, 1, 5, 4, 0. Okay, children. Here we have to miss one number and write the continuation number. Pattern means, what is a pattern? Pattern means a continuation number. So here we have to miss one number and write. We have to miss one number and write. Again missing and writing. Missing and writing. Okay, children. Third one, children. What is the next one? See the next sum. Here pattern same is there, no? Which number is the different? We have to check first. Here 55. Here also 55. Here also 55. And next we have to see the next number. What is the next number, children? Here 0. And here 2. In between 0 and 2, what is the number? 0, 1, 2. Next 3, 4. Here 5. Which number we have to write here? 6 we have to write, no? Yes. What is the total number? See here, 55. We have to miss the 5 and we have to write here 6. Next, what is the number? See, children, here numbers are same. So write 6, 5, 0, 55, 00. And next, see which number we have to miss? 5 after 6, 6 after 7. 7 means, again which number we have to write here, children? 55, 8, 5, 0, 55, 00. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, did you understand this pattern? Next, see the next one. See the next number, 91, 39, 400, 00. This is the number. Here next, what is the pattern? 91 is there here. Here 90. Here 89. Down numbers. Here what is the numbers? Down numbers are there. Here up numbers are there. No, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Here down 91, 90, 89. 89 down number what? 88. 88 down number what? 87. Remaining all the numbers are same. Okay, children, next see the next one. 10. Here 10 is the 2-digit number. And see here also 10 common. Here also 10. So here also we have to write the 10 is a common. Next you see the next one. 7, 6, 5. See children, here also the down numbers. Down numbers means, what is the down numbers, children? See here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 like this is the down numbers. So here see the 7, 6, 5. 5 after 4. Next see the next remaining numbers all are same. So we have to write the as usual. Next see 10 after. Next what is the number, children? 4 down, which number is there? See here 4 down, which number is there? 3. So here we have to write the 3. Remaining numbers are same. See, what is the question? Write the largest and smallest 7-digit number. Using the digits, already they gave the digits. What are the digits? 7, 3, 8, 4, 0, 5 and 2. By using these digits, we have to write the largest and smallest numbers. The largest number. First, what we have to write? The largest number. The largest number. What is the largest number? See children, among these all numbers, which is the highest number? 8. So, First we have to write here 8. And next, what is the largest number? 8 after 7. So again we have to write 7. Next, 7 after, see which is the biggest number? 5. Next, 5 after 4. 4 after 3. Next, 3 after 2. And last, 0. The largest number is, what is the largest number? See here children. 8,754,320. Next, what they ask? The smallest number. The smallest number. Next, 9th Roman. Write the largest and smallest 7-digit numerical using the digits 7, 3, 8, 4, 0, 5 and 2. Without repeating any number. Here we have to write the largest and smallest number. See, among these numbers, which is the smallest number? 0. If we use 0 first means it is 6-digit number. That's why we have to write the next number. What is the next smallest number? After 0, which is the next smallest number? 2. First we have to write 2. Afterwards we have to write 0. 0 finish. 2 also finish. Next, which is the smallest number? 2 after 3. Next, 3. Next, 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 7. And next, what is the number? Next number? And 8. Okay children, see the largest number already we wrote. The smallest number, if we wrote 0 means it is the 6-digit number, no? That's why we have to write afterwards 0 in second place. Okay, first we have to write the number, after we have to write the 0. Okay children, did you understand? Children, see the homework. Give the place value of each digit using international system. Already I told in 6th Roman how to write the place values of every digit. Okay children, after the class practice all the Indian and international systems. See you in next class. God bless you.